Morning everyone, Mr. Allen here for our final presentation assembly of the year. It's Friday the 16th of July and we're here for Year 1's final presentation and Child of the Year. At the end of this assembly you'll see we've got various videos of Child of the Year in both those classes, and these children take home special plaque. So look out for those towards the end of this assembly. But we're going to kick off this morning with our Year 1's. Let's have a little look with our phonics stars. Look at these guys working and have done throughout this year actually, but especially hard throughout this summer term. So we've got Mason, we've got Scarlett, we've got Beatrix, and we've got Caden. Look at the big smiles on those guys' faces. That phonics work has really helped them with all their writing as well. So fantastic. Let's give them a massive cheer. Well done, and enjoy taking your certificates home tonight, you superstar. Parents will be proud. Moving on, look at these math stars. Look at these mathematicians, hey? Look at them, they're absolutely superb. And massive smiles on their faces as well. Just makes Mr. Allen smile. So we've got Maxwell, we've got Marcy, we've got Bartos, and we've got Lily. Look at these guys, working so hard on their maths, getting ready for Year 2. I know they can't wait for Year 2. The Year 2 teachers can't as well. So I know they've been an amazing maths, so well done, guys. And keep that up. Enjoy taking your certificates home. Moving on, look at these reading stars. Now these guys have been reading every single day and they've been filling in their reading record every single day. It has been amazing. So we've got Anna Maria, we've got Rayleigh, we've got Sophie, and we've got Teddy. Look at these guys, reading so hard and reading so much every single. I know they're going to carry it out over the summer, ready for when they're in Year 2 as well. So give them a massive cheer, everyone. And those certificates will be coming round later on today. So well done. Here we go, RP stars. Look at these guys. Look at this. You can see that. Look at them. Rebecca in full flow there. Look. We've got Noah on the monkey bars. Adama, look at her on those monkey bars. Hey, amazing. And then Marley Ray as well. These guys are so active. They've had a brilliant sports day as well. But actually, outside in that Year 1 area, they are always ever so active. So really well deserved, guys. Let's give them a massive cheer right now. Well done, you PE stars. Moving on, look at these English stars. Oh, look at these guys, hey? Massive smiles again on their faces. Eliza, Lexi, Alex, and Isla. Look at these guys, hey? Really well done, guys. Fantastic work you're doing there on your artwork as well, but absolutely brilliant on your English. Ready for Year 2, so really well done. Let's all give them a massive cheer now, please, everyone. Come on, give them a big cheer. Well done. Proud of you all. Well done. Moving on. Next up, we've got our math stars. Look at these mathematicians. We've got Tudor, we've got Dennis, we've got Mimi, and we've got Logan, working so hard on their maths, hey? Non-stop, their number work, the maths mastery that they are doing, they're absolutely ready for Year 2. I know that, so really well done, guys. I am so proud of it. Let's give them a massive cheer. Superstars. Moving on, reading. Look at these guys. Now, these guys have filled in umpteen reading record. They're absolutely amazing because they're reading more than once every day. It's amazing. So, Alexia, Ava, Ben and Ethan. Let's give them a massive cheer, guys. Come on, guys. Really well done. Keep up that reading over the summer holidays. Try the reading challenge as well at the library. You only got to read 6 books. I know you guys will do it easily. You'll get a medal and certificate as well. It'd be really nice to see that and kick off your Year 2 with those medals and certificates. Let's see you after the summer holidays. Lots of reading, guys. Well done. Right. PE, look at these guys. Did really well in their sports day, these ones as well. Look at these, look. So we've got Orson, we've got Jack, we've got Scarlett, and we've got Olivia. Absolute superstar. Super fast, super strong, super agile. These guys are brilliant. Really well deserved. Stand up in your, come on, let's give you a massive cheer. Enjoy taking your certificates home with you tonight. Well done, guys. Really proud of you. Right, here we go. Top 3 in each class. Look at these. You can see these are all the house points that you guys have earned over the years. And we've got the top 3 in each of those classes. And you can see Miss Begum's class and Miss Musgrove. But look at the number of house points. It's amazing. We've got Marcy on 131. Noah, 137, and just in the lead, just the top, 144, Lily. Those 3, stand up. Give them a massive cheer, everyone. Come on. Really well done. And then in Miss Marshall's class, similarly, look at Logan, 130. Emily, 136. And just out of the top, similar with Alex, 144 house points. That is phenomenal for those Year 1s. Stand up, guys. Let's give them a massive cheer. Massive shout out to you guys. Really well worked on earning all of those house points. I am proud of you. Congratulations. Moving on to the attendance league. Let's have a little look through these now. See where everyone is. Look at this. Here we go. Miss Arthurton, Mr. Pinner, and Miss Barrett there, down at the bottom of the league, but they will do better next year. They've promised me. Moving on. Look, Mr. Ackerman, Miss Begum, and Miss Ruffle. So Miss Begum in 10th place there on 81. I know Miss Begum's looking to do better next year as well. So come on, Miss Begum. Keep working hard. Here we go. Miss Hawkins, Mr. Davison, and Miss White in 8th, 7th, and 6th. Keeping it up. Here we go, look. Miss Marshall, there we are, 123. 5th place. Well done, Miss Marshall, guys. That's not a bad effort. 123 points. Just missing out on 4th there by 1 point, but really well done. Lots and lots of points. And keep up that great attendance when you're getting into year 2 as well. Let's have a look at the top 3. We've got Mrs. Cook in 3rd, Miss Musselwhite in 2nd, and in 1st place, Miss Hall. Look at that. Congratulations to Miss Hall. They've got the shield. Absolutely, really well done. Huge congratulations to Sharp Class. When you see them, let's give them a big cheer, please, guys. So really well done to those. Fantastic. Well done, guys. Keep up that good attendance when you guys get into year 2. Moving on, here we go. Child of the Year. I mentioned this right at the beginning of the assembly. We've got Child of the Year. And we're going to start off in Miss Begham's. And this child has been amazing all year long. And they have earned themselves a shield and recognition of that as well. Watch this little video now.
This child has had a fantastic year and have faced new challenges with a positive and eager attitude. They enjoy learning and are always willing to have a go. They are incredibly focused and work hard in all areas of the curriculum. In class, this child is always supportive and kind to others. They have excellent manners, is extremely well behaved and very polite. They have been a fantastic role model to the rest of the year group. This year has thrown a lot of challenges, but despite this, they have been a focused and hard-working learner and try their absolute best with their home learning. It has been a real pleasure getting to know them this year. They should be incredibly proud of all their work in year 1. Our Child of the Year is Scarlett Pownall.
Amazing. Well done, Scarlett. You absolute superstar. I'm so proud of you. Well deserved. You have been amazing all year long. I am so proud of you. I know Mum's going to be, and Nanny, going to be absolutely in floods of tears, hopefully, from that little video. You absolute superstar, really well deserved. I am really proud of you, so well done, hun, and well deserved. Enjoy taking time. Everyone should be cheering hugely in your class right now. Well done, Scarlett. I'm proud of you. Well done. Moving on. Here we go. Miss Marshall's Child of the Year. So similarly, Miss Marshall has chosen a child who has been amazing all year long. And they are an absolutely different child from when they started in year 1. Watch this little video now.
This has been a really difficult decision. We've all had so much fun this year and you've all worked so hard. Well done. This child has flourished this year. They are talking more, talking really clearly, and we have lovely conversations with this child. This child is an excellent role model for everyone in the class. They're always encouraging and helping other children to make the right choices. They're always showing other children what they should be doing, how they should be sat, and lets them know they should be listening to instructions. This child is really kind. They are polite all the time and they've got lots and lots of new friendships in the class. They try really hard to make sure that everyone is involved in their games. This child works hard every day. Show me how he does good sitting. Oh, that's something else he does. Pardon?
I always see him play nicely with his friends.
Oh, thank you, lovely.
Always sitting down with his legs crossed.
Why is he a good friend?
Because he plays with me.
Oh, lovely, thank you.
The sound and math and phonics.
Thank you.
He's kind.
Well done, Adil. You've had an amazing year and learnt so much. We are so proud of you and how independent you've become this year.
Adil! Yes! Well done, Adil. There it is. You absolute superstar. Well done. Your brother and your sisters are going to be so proud of your mum. I know it will be in floods of tears. I know. Really well deserved. You are a different boy from when you started in year one. You've so grown up. You are, and you have been amazing. Every single day you have been at school. Really well done and really well deserved, buddy. I am proud of you. Enjoy taking this home today. Let's give a massive cheer, everyone. Well done, Scarlett and Adil. Well done, Adil. You superstar. Well done. Right, here we go. Well done, everyone. Look, we are there. Hey, enjoy the summer holidays. We finally got there. The end of today will be the summer holidays. Please have a wonderful and safe holiday. Get out and about. Try and do lots of reading, a fair bit of writing and maths as well. So don't stop doing things that you've learned all the way through year one, so you're ready for year two when you start in year two. As you can see, we're back on Monday the 6th of September. All of you guys will be going to the year two classroom straight off the playground. So enjoy that, but have a fantastic and very safe summer holiday. And until then, everyone, bye-bye now.